Hello everybody. I finally uh, finished my strainer that I made out of a bucket, and I'm gonna see if we can't put this rascal to good use, and we're gonna see how well it works. So, I mean, if it works well, I would advise you making one, because it would speed up your process of making clay a lot. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be scooping out some clay. I'm hoping that I can be, hopefully this rascal works real good. So, this should save a lot of time from having to use a credit card or whatever, a piece of plastic, to try to go over a screened piece, such as this one here. You know, like I used some earlier in a video that I used and run the credit card across the mesh. I know that's what a lot of potters do. But this, I've made this, and hopefully this rascal will run 100 miles an hour. I mean, the mug that I'm using is kind of small. Actually, I probably should have got something a lot bigger to help speed up the process even more, but I didn't think about that when I first started. So, and I don't believe I'm going to start over, so you just have to bear with me. Yeah, from what I've done is I've checked to see whether or not anyone else has made anything like that, and I've searched through a couple hundred different videos on YouTube, and I can't find anybody that has made anything like this. So, and since I've given all the basic instructions on how to make it, I believe it should be fairly easy. So, and you know, it might take you a few days to make this, but it will save you a few weeks and help you refine your clay that you dig up. And in the process, I believe it's gonna, all I'm gonna do is just take that rascal and crank that handle, and let's see how well this thing works. Oh yeah, I'm liking this. I see that already. You know, I put 2 pieces of PVC on the handle. That makes it turn real easy. So well, that's working out nice, real nice. All I gotta do is strain all this, and then I've made some plaster Paris molds to dry the clay, so that it will speed up the process there. Yeah, by the way, I bought the large eclipse mold from Pure and Simple, which makes a really large basin mold to help dry the clay. So, you know, I don't think I'll probably show you the entire clip on this, on how long it takes to do it, but I tell you what, I'm going to tell you how long it took me to go through this 5-gallon bucket, which I believe is going to be record time. Now, this right here, there's about, I went through probably 3 gallons of this slurry already, and this right here is all I've got left in there, and it's really thick, so it's larger than what the screen will allow. So I'm gonna just take that and dump that out, because I've sifted through most of it, and I'll finish the rest of it up here shortly. Now, I want you to know it took roughly 20 minutes to empty a 5-gallon bucket. That's what it took me, and I got about a cup and a half of slurry still in there that won't come through because it is too thick. It's too thick to go through the screen. So I've got 5 gallons of clay that in here. This is a 7-gallon bucket, and so I got 5 gallons of slurry that I'm gonna put in my clay mold and make myself some clay.